So, palagi ko sila nakikita here on my FYP and now gusto ko na silang i-try kung gaano ba talaga sila kaganda. So, they are from Thailand products. This is from Convi Beauty and now they are available here in the Philippines.
Sawadee ka.
Unahin muna natin sa powder. As you can see, the packaging is very classic lang. And meron silang 6 variant pero dalawa lang yung meron ako, which is this All Day Fix and Pearly Glow. This is the All Day Fix. Yan yung, ito naman yung Pearly Glow. So, ang pagkakaiba nila dito, so the Pearly Glow is meron siyang glitters and yung other one is plain matte lang siya. So, ayan ang atake niya mga ate ko. Ayan o. Ang tablang atake nito bakla o. So, ito, plain lang siya. So, i-apply ko muna siya sa half of my face para makita natin yung pagkakaiba niya. Wow. So, this is the with and without. As you can see kung gano'n yan minat yung face ko on the half. And sobrang light